Hey, future moneymakers! Welcome back to the Money Making Pals channel, where we talk all things finance, entrepreneurship, and online success. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button because today we're diving into one of the hottest topics for 2024: smart money tactics for beginners to make money online. Stay all the way until the end of the video, as I save my best ideas for last. Whether you're looking to earn a little extra on the side, start a full-time online business, or simply want to know where to begin, this video is for you. We're breaking down the top strategies and tactics that you need to know to start making money online in 2024. So, grab a notebook and let's get into it. All right, let's start with one of the easiest and most accessible ways to make money online in 2024: freelancing. Freelancing has exploded in popularity over the last few years, and it's not slowing down in 2024. Whether you're a writer, graphic designer, programmer, or even a virtual assistant, there's a demand for your skills online. And the best part, you can start freelancing with zero upfront costs. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer make it easy to connect with clients who need your services. You can set up a profile, showcase your portfolio, and start bidding on projects right away. And don't worry if you're just starting out. There are plenty of gigs available for beginners too. Freelancing offers flexibility, allowing you to work on your own schedule and choose the projects that interest you the most. Plus, as you gain experience and build your reputation, you can start charging higher rates and even turn freelancing into a full-time income. Next up, let's talk about a strategy that's perfect for anyone who loves to create content: starting a blog or YouTube channel. If you've got a passion, a skill, or even just a topic you love to talk about, why not share it with the world and make money in the process? Starting a blog or YouTube channel like this one can be a fantastic way to generate income online, and 2024 is the perfect time to get started. Here's how it works. You choose a niche or topic that you're passionate about, and you start creating content around that topic, and you build an audience. Once you've got a following, there are multiple ways to monetize your content, from ads and sponsorships to affiliate marketing and selling your own products or services. It's important to note that blogging and YouTube take time to grow, so don't expect overnight success. But if you stay consistent, provide value, and engage with your audience, the potential for income is huge. Plus, you're building an asset that can continue to generate revenue for years to come. So whether you're into cooking, fitness, tech reviews, or personal finance, there's an audience out there waiting for your content. Start creating, share your knowledge, and watch as your online presence grows. And with it, your income. Now, let's explore a method that's gaining a lot of traction and is ideal for beginners: participating in online surveys and market research. One of the simplest ways to make money online is by participating in online surveys and market research studies. Companies are always looking for consumer opinions to improve their products and services, and they're willing to pay for your feedback. Websites like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Vindel Research are great places to get started. All you have to do is sign up, complete surveys, or participate in research studies, and earn cash or gift cards in return. It's easy, it's flexible, and it's something that you can do in your spare time. While you're not going to get rich taking surveys, it's a low-effort way to earn a little extra money online. And the best part? You can do it while watching TV, waiting for an appointment, or during any other downtime that you might have. So if you're looking for a way to start making money online with minimal effort, give online surveys a try. It's a great stepping stone into the world of online earning. Next, let's talk about a more creative way to make money online: selling digital products. Digital products are a fantastic way to generate passive income online. Once you create a digital product, you can sell it over and over again without any additional effort, making it a scalable way to earn money. There are countless types of digital products that you can create and sell, depending on your skills and interests. Ebooks, printables, courses, stock photos, design templates, and even digital art are just a few examples. Platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, and Teachable make it easy to list and sell your digital products to a global audience. The key to success with digital products is to create something that solves a problem or fulfills a need for your target audience. For example, if you're a graphic designer, you could create and sell design templates. If you're an expert in a particular field, you could create an online course teaching others what you know. Not only is selling digital products a great way to make money, but it also allows you to express your creativity and share your knowledge with the world. And once you've built a library of products, you can sit back and watch the sales roll in. Another great way to make money online in 2024, especially if you have a knack for sales, is through affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is all about promoting products or services and earning a commission for every sale made through your referral. It's a win-win situation. The company gets more sales, and you get a percentage of the profit. To get started, sign up for affiliate programs through networks like Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, or ClickBank. Once you're approved, you can start sharing your affiliate links on your blog, YouTube channel, social media, or even via email marketing. Here's an example. Let's say you have a blog about fitness. You could write a post about your favorite workout gear and include affiliate links to the products that you mention. When your readers click on those links and make a purchase, you earn a commission. The best part is they don't pay anything extra. The company pays you for driving the sale. Affiliate marketing is a powerful way to earn money online, especially if you already have an audience or are building one. And the more you promote and engage with your audience, the more potential that you have to earn. Next, let's look at a tactic that's perfect for those who enjoy the thrill of buying and selling: flipping items online. Flipping items is all about buying low and selling high. Whether it's finding hidden gems at thrift stores, garage sales, or online marketplaces, flipping can be a fun and profitable way to make money online. Some popular items to flip include vintage clothing, electronics, collectibles, and furniture. Once you've found an item with potential, you can clean it up, maybe do a little refurbishing, and then list it for sale on platforms like eBay, Facebook Marketplace, or Etsy. The key to successfully flipping is doing your research. Know what's in demand and what items typically sell for. This way, you can make sure that you're getting a good deal when you buy and maximizing your profits when you sell. Flipping items online isn't just a great way to make money. It's also a sustainable practice that gives old items a new life. Plus, it's incredibly satisfying to turn a profit on something that you found for a bargain. Another effective way to make money online in 2024, especially if you're knowledgeable in a particular subject, is teaching online courses. If you have expertise in a specific area, whether it's business, photography, cooking, or even a specific software, why not share that knowledge with others and make money in that process? Teaching online courses is a booming industry, and it's easier than ever to get started. You can create and sell courses on platforms like Udemy, Teachable, or Skillshare, where millions of students are looking to learn new skills. The beauty of online courses is that you can create the content once and continue to sell it over and over again, creating a steady stream of passive income. When creating your course, focus on delivering value. Break down your knowledge into easy-to-digest modules. Use video, audio, and downloadable resources to enhance the learning experience and engage with your students to keep them motivated. Teaching online courses is not only a great way to make money, but it's also incredibly rewarding to help others learn and grow. Plus, as you build your reputation as an expert, you can command higher prices for your courses. And finally, let's talk about a growing opportunity that's perfect for creatives and entrepreneurs: launching a print-on-demand business. Print-on-demand is an amazing way to start an online business without the need for inventory. Here's how it works. You create designs that can be printed on products like t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, and more. When a customer places an order, the product is printed and shipped directly to them by a third-party supplier. Platforms like Printful, Teespring, and Redbubble make it easy to get started. All you need to do is upload your designs, choose the products that you want to offer, and set your prices. The platform handles the rest, from printing to shipping, and you earn a profit on every sale. The key to success with print on demand is creating unique, eye-catching designs that resonate with your target audience. Whether it's funny quotes, artistic graphics, or niche-specific themes, there's a market for almost anything. And the best part, you don't have to worry about inventory or upfront costs. You only pay when you make a sale. So if you've got a creative streak and you want to start a business with low risk, print on demand is a fantastic option. And there you have it, the smartest money-making tactics for beginners to start making money online in 2024. Whether you're freelancing, creating digital products, flipping items, or launching an online course, there's an opportunity for everyone to start earning online. Remember, the key to success is taking action. Don't just watch. Pick a tactic that resonates with you, start learning, and most importantly, start doing. The sooner you begin, the sooner you'll see results. And who knows, by this time next year, you could be celebrating your first big payday. So, which of these tactics are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tips on making money online, managing your finances, and reaching your financial goals. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy money making!